Hello, good day. Today we are studying about the characteristics of data center. So these are the characteristics of data center. Uh, Uninterpreted operation of the center is a very critical and you can say survival and success of a business organization that must have the reliable infrastructure that ensure that the data is accessible at all the time, because of if data is available but not accessible at the particular time, then there may be very much loss for the business organizations. So this is although we have the characteristics of this which is shown at the figure, that is availability, security, capacity, scalability, performance, and data integrity and manageability. Uh, these are application to the all elements of the data center infrastructures, and focuses here is own storage system. So uh, the first one is availability. That is very important characteristic. No doubt all are important, but the availability, the first one. A data center should ensure the availability of information when required. Unavailability of the information could cost the millions of rupees per hour to businesses such as financial services, telecommunication, and e-commerce. So availability of the data or, the information is much more important. Another one is the security. Security, the data center must establish the policies, the procedures, and the core element integration to prevent the unauthorized access of the information. So no one can access the business related information. Okay, so security is must. Now the next one is scalability. That is important. Business growth often requires the deploying the more servers, the expansion of that, new applications, and the additional databases. So data center resources should scale based on the requirement of the business without interrupting the business operations. Another is performance. Another characteristic is the performance. All the elements of the data center should provide the optimal performance that based on the requirement of the service level. Okay. Then the next one is data integrity. No doubt, data integrity is one of the mechanisms. It refers to mechanisms such as error correction, code, or the parity bit. That is ensuring that when the data is stored or the retrieved, exactly it was received or not, with the help of this error correction code or the parity bit. So it is one of the mechanisms. So data integrity is one of the characteristics of the data center. Another one is capacity. Data center operations requires adequate resources to store and process the large amount of data efficiently. So the capacity. So when the capacity requirement increases, the data center must provide the additional capacity without interrupting the availability with the minimum, or you can say very minimal disruptions. So capacity may be managed by reallocating the existing resources by adding the new resources. The next and the last is very important, that is manageability. Manageability. A data center should provide easy and integrated management of all the elements, all 5 core elements of the data. Okay, so the manageability can achieve through the automation and the reduction of the human, that is the manual intervention in the common task, so that it minimizes the errors. That's why the manageability to integrating management of all elements is a very important characteristics of the data center. Thank you. Thank you to all of you.